we discuss about the autoionizations of water. Before these autoionizations of water, we discuss about the ionizations of acid and the bases. On that basis, in different theories, and also we calculate the dissociation constant or the ionization constant for the strong acid, weak acid and the weak bases. Okay, so today we discuss about the autoionizations of water. That is how the autoionizations of water. The pure water is ionized in a small extent. Pure water is ionized into the small extent, so that when the two molecules of water are the mixed and they are the ionized and to form the H2O plus ions and the OH negative ions. So that you can calculate the equilibrium constant for this equation. You can put the equilibrium constant for this equation, that is the K is equals to the concentration of H3O plus aqueous, and that is the ionized ions and the unionized ions. You know about that. For as similar for the, there is a dissociation of weak acid and the weak bases. So this is the equilibrium constant for the water. Here the concentration of water, unionized molecule of water, is the high, so that there is put the, there is the two molecule of unionized molecule of undissociated molecule of water is concentration is high, so that you can put the K dash for this constant. You can put the K dash constant for this concentration of undissociated molecule. So you can got, तुम्ही या इक्वेशन ला अशा प्रकारे सुद्धा लिहू शकता. Concentration of H3 plus ions and OH negative ions in aqueous in the solution and this liquid. So you can got the K into K dash is equals to the H3O plus aqueous concentration of OH negative ions and the aqueous. You can got that K into K dash is equals to nothing but the Kw. It is the ionic product of water, and the concentrations of, it is the concentration of hydronium ions or the hydrogen ions and the hydroxyl ions. Okay, there is the Kw is nothing but the ionic product of water, is defined as the concentrations of, is defined as the concentrations of hydronium ions and the concentration of hydroxide ions. By this your concentration is known, you can calculate the ionic product of water. Then is based upon the pH scale. There is a acidity or the basicity. There is the H plus ions and the OH negative ions. So you can then put the value at the temperature of 298 Kelvin. The pH on this ionic product, there is the K is equals to, you can put H3O, H plus ions value, there is the 1 point into 10 raised to power minus 7. So and the pH and the value of OH negative ions, that is the 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7 mole per dm cube into the solution. The value of H3O plus ions and OH negative ions are the equal. They are the equally formed. So that is the value is become Kw is equals to, Kw is equals to, you can put 1 point into 10 raised to power minus 7 plus 1 point into 10 raised to power minus 7. So that is the Kw is equals to, value of the Kw ionic product is equals to, Kw is equals to 1 point into 10 raised to power minus 14. Mole per dm cube at the 298 Kelvin. Then one thing is kept in your mind, that is the, as the pH value of water increases, pH value of water is increases, sorry, is falls down, sorry, is pH value of water is increases, the temperature is decreases, and त्यालाच उलटा करायचं, जर पीएच व्हॅल्यू कमी होत असेल तर टेम्परेचर वाढत असेल. ओके, पीएच व्हॅल्यू ही वाढत असेल तर टेम्परेचर कमी होत असेल आणि pH value कमी होत असेल तर टेम्परेचर वाढत असेल. ओके, as the pH value increases temperature decreases and the pH value decreases temperature will be increases. Okay, so there is the pH scale. pH scale, this is given by Sorensen in 1909, the concept of pH for the solution. We put that the concept of solution, that is the pH, and it is nothing but what is the pH? pH of the solution is defined as the negative logarithm to the solution to the base 10 concentration of H plus ions in the solution. Okay, so similar for the pOH or the hydroxyl ions. So that Sensor in 1909 put the concept of pH scale, and that it is given that pH is equals to minus, there is a negative logarithm of the base 10 to the base 10 concentration of H plus ions of the solution. Similar for the pOH is equals to minus log 10 base 10 concentration of OH negative ions of the solution is called as the pH. Here both can be the pH and pOH are the calculated. So that there is the one concept is here, you know about that Kw is equals to, K is nothing but the relationship between the pH and pOH. How they are the relationship between the pH and pOH. Here there is the Kw, you know that about the Kw is equals to the concentration of protonium ions or hydronium ions and the concentration of O negative ions. Here also we know that pH is equals to the minus log base 10 H plus ions and the pOH ions. So you can put this here. There is the value of H3O, that is the minus log base 10 H plus ions, or the also, okay, you can take this pH, okay, H3O plus aqueous, then plus OH negative ions aqueous is equals to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 40. You can take the log of the both the side. You can take the log at both the side. Log base 10 OH negative ions at aqueous, you got that minus 4. Then you can make the divided by negative sign both the side. दोन्ही साइडना माइनस नी मल्टीप्लाय करूया. that is the minus log base 10 H3O positive ions in aqueous plus log base 10 OH negative ions aqueous. Here is the plus minus log base 10, that is the 40. So here the value of nothing but here is the pH plus pOH is equals to 14. pH plus pH is equal to 14. Minus plus minus. Okay. So that minus log base 10 H3O plus ions and the pH. There is the pH plus pH is equal to the 14. By this you can this is the relationship between the pH and pH. Okay. So here today we discuss about the autoionizations of water and second point the pH. Okay. pH of water. pH of water is for the as the temperature increases the pH of water get falls. Okay. Generally the water pH we say that it is the 7 or the neutral, but it is not the neutral. It is the changes with respect to the temperature. Okay. As the temperature falls, the pH will be the increases. Okay. Then we हा जो टॉपिक आपण डिस्कस केला, you can see that topic inside in your textbook, that is the page number 49 to 51. Okay. Then there is another problem is based upon that. Calculate the pH of HCl. 0.02 मोलर HCl चं तुम्हाला pH डिटरमाइन करायची आहे. तर ती कशी करायची? You can by using this formula you can calculate the pH of 0.02 molar HCl. आता HCl ची pH मेजर करताना आपल्याला माहिती आहे, it is the acid when it is dissolved into the water they form the ions H plus ions and the Cl negative ions. Okay, so its pH can be concentration तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे, pH आणि pH डिटरमाइन करायचे आहे, तर हे फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचे आणि pH आणि pH सोल्युशनची डिटरमाइन करायची. तर 0.02 मोलरचा HCl चं सोल्युशन असेल तर त्याची pH किती असते? pH is 2 and the pH is the 12. Okay, there is a mole per dm cube into that solution. Then remaining portion we will discuss in the next video. There is a discussion on the hydrolysis and the types of salt. Okay.